Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to the closing bell. We had some very interesting developments going on. Firstly, let's look and see what's going on in the energy market. At present, we have oil up 360 a barrel, gasoline up 7, natural gas up 10 cents. The S&P is up 5 now. The Dow is actually down 12 points, and the NASDAQ is actually up 54 and a half points right now. Crude oil back off of its highs and now is presently up $74 at 53.21. So that trade that we initiated at the 53.43 to get out, that was a very good move because we were able to capture that and get out of the market. Still rallying right now, up the $73 at the moment. And I see silver is down right now, $5. And let's see here. Bitcoin is up 3,500 points. Corn is down 3 and 3/4. Beans are down 7 and 3/4, and wheat is down 15 and 3/4. So a very good market today. The trade we had for the gold worked out very well. We were able to get out that first contract at the 53.43 mark and still long the other contract with the anticipation of getting out of there at 56.14. We're still monitoring the trade right now. We have a trailing stop roughly here around our 51.26 mark. So we're still long that trade right now. We're going to see by the end of the market if we actually trade above or below this 53.43 because we had a high of 54.34, a low of 52.72, and the market opened at 53.60. So we're still in a pretty good spot right now for the overall trade, and we were able to get out of that $100,000 profit target that we talked about before. Actually, it's just a little bit over that, actually 110,000 when we actually get out. That we made on that trade, and we're still long the second pyramid trade that we made earlier. So, a very good day for the markets, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. And the apex here of this Bitcoin is actually trading above the apex right now. So, we're going to see what actually trades out and what it ends up at the end of the day. Let's move a little bit around because right now you can see we're actually above the apex right there, breaking out of the triangle to the upside, but this is still on the intraday. We're gonna see what the actual close ends up as, and we still have another couple of days of trading. It still did not break out of this high here that we had, this resistance, which is a 73.90. So it hit that target, bounced off of it, and headed back down again. So there is some resistance there for that trade as well. So we will monitor that in the next couple of days and see what's going on with that. But be ready to go short that market because it did bounce off that resistance and headed back down again. So I think that's a pretty good significant resistance there. So I think that it's going to break out of this apex to the downside and keep going lower. But we're going to monitor that trade over the next couple of days. So like I said, this is Dimitri from DC Futures, and I will see you folks tomorrow. And all my gold people, congratulations on the trade. We made a lot of money on that trade. So it's still going on right now. We will monitor it, and I will give you guys the new trailing stops for those trades as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the opening bell. This is Dimitri, DC Futures. All right, bye.